Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do another Dutch pour. I've mixed up some paints here. This is going to be my base color, which is just green with a lot of white mixed into it, and I've watered it down so it's a nice thin consistency. Then I've mixed up some neon pink. I've watered this down, and into here I've added 3 drops of silicone. This is the silicone I put in, which I got off Amazon. It's 100% silicone oil, and it is treadmill belt lubricant. And then here I've got some neon yellow, which I've watered down, and I've got some turquoise. Now, I've only put the silicone into the one color, okay, 3 drops. And then I've got my little mini blower that we're going to use to blow it out with. Just put in the front part on there. And let's get started. So I'm starting with this green that I've just mixed up, which now of course is full of bubbles. I'll just get all of it out. Okay, right, and then into that I'm going to pour some of that and some of that. I'm just putting half the colors in now because I put a second time after I've blown this out now. So let's blow this. And this first blow is really to cover the canvas with paint. That's basically all this is. And it'll have a little bit of color in it because of the color we put down. But we'll lose most of that now anyway when we're covering the canvas with paint. And that's why I put color on again after. Okay, it is now at least covered in paint. So now we are going to put the rest of the color down. I'll put a little bit of that, and then a little bit of that, and a little bit more of that, and a little bit more of that. Okay, now we're going to actually blow the color over. Wow, that is so cool. The colors in here are absolutely amazing, and around the edges here are the prettiest cells. Really very pretty. So I'm going to just wipe my hands off, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Look at that. Look at those colors. Now look up the top here. These beautiful cells it's created. Look at the colors in those cells. Really cool. And I like this because it doesn't just fill, look at that. It doesn't just fill the whole painting with cells. You just get some cells, and look at the colors in these cells. Look at that. I am really liking this way of doing Dutch paws. Now here we get to these cells again. Look at the colors in there. Isn't that gorgeous? The middle is absolutely, look at that. Look at the colors in that lacing. Wow, I am obsessed with this technique. I love it. Absolutely love it.
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up.
Everyone, thanks very much for joining me today again as I created a really cool painting, which I'm really, really happy about. I will be putting out another video in the week next week sometime, because I am still on annual leave. So be sure to join me for that, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, if you like the painting, please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I would love to hear from you, and yeah, enjoy your week everyone. Bye.